अस्तु परिराज महोदय भवान् कृपया प्रार्थनां करोतु।
अस्तु। नमो नमः सर्वेभ्यः। ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नमो नमः।
धन्यवादः। गतकक्षायां भवन्तः सर्वः कस्य इति विषये पठितवन्तः। So in last class you have studied about how to answer the question kasya, whose, in pullinge. So we'll continue that same topic, and today we'll learn about kasya स्त्रीलिंगे नपुंसकलिंगे। कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति, संशयः अस्ति पुल्लिंगे? Any doubt or question about कस्य in पुल्लिंगे?
प्रश्नः नास्ति।
This table, this is a table of the vibhaktis in different endings.
That's too small. Oh, full screen.
Small. Okay, let me make it bigger. Okay, let me do it this way. Is it fine now?
Slightly better. Yeah.
So we see so far we have learned about vibhaktis.
दीपक महोदय एकनिमिषं रामस्य रामयोः रामाणां
सम्यक् सम्यक् सत्यं सत्यं भगिनि अहं संशोधयामि। I will correct. So अतः should be रामाणां। टङ्कणं त्रुटि अस्ति।
सेम् हरिणां।
हरिणां कुत्र अस्ति हरि? सम्यक् सत्यं सत्यं। I will correct it भगिनि, धन्यवाद। So we see we have learned about so far 4 vibhaktis. प्रथमा, द्वितीया, द्वितीया अस्ति प्रथमा अस्ति कर्ता, वयं जानीमः। द्वितीया अस्ति कर्म, तृतीय सप्तमी, सप्तमी we use to answer कुत्र. So that now we are studying about Sashti Bhakti. Sashti Bhakti answer the question kasya, whose, pullinge. So in last class we learned about Ramasya, and we in last class and today class we are only doing ekvachan. So we are focusing only on ekvachan. Bahuvachan, Dvivachan we will do in next class. So you learned about Ramasya in last class. Today we'll learn about Hari. Did you must learn about Ramasya, Hari, Guru, and Pitra. The first column. Today we will learn about second column and third column. So Striling is second column and Napumsakalin is third column. So if in see in Striling we have four endings. Akarant. So Akarant is Ramayah or Sitayah. Or Ikarant, Haswi. So Haswi has dual endings. I mean, dual endings means it has two endings, Matyah or Mateh. So either is fine for Sashti Bhakti. Ikarant, Dirgha E, Gauri, and Gauri form is Gauryah. Or Ukarant, Haswa U, Dhenu. And again, it has two kinds of ending, Dhenwah or Dhenoh. So either is fine. Then we have Rikarant, Mata, and his form is Mataraha. No, is wrong actually. Is not Matra, is Matu. So you see the form that I written here, Matra is not correct. The form is Matu. Similarly, Pita is also not correct. It's a Pitu, not Pitara. So I will correct it. It has typing mistakes. Astu. Similarly, Napunsakling. Now we see Napunsakling has same endings as Pullinge. So in Vibhakti, after third Vibhakti onwards, both Napunsakling and Pulling are same. There is no difference. So all difference is only in the Prathama and Dutiya. Third Vibhakti onwards, they're all same. But we will practice with Napunsakling Sabdas. So you see, we have Akarant, Gyanah, and like Pullinga is ending is Sya, Gyanasya. Similarly, Phalasya, Jalasya, Bhavanasya, Yanasya. And then we have Ikarant, Napunsakling, Vari. Vari means water. And this form is Variraha. Sashti is Variraha. And we have Ukarant, Madhu. And this form is similar to Vari, Madhuna. So Ukarant and Ikarant, if you see in Napunsakling also has form is almost same. Like Ukarant and Ikarant in Napunsakling, sorry, Pullinga, they have similar forms. So if you look at Hari and Guru, they change in similar patterns. It's just that Hari becomes Hare and Guru become Guru. Similarly, if we see Vari become Varinaha, Madhu become Madhuna. Vari is there is because we have Ra. Otherwise, the ending is similar. So if you closely look at the patterns remain the same between Vari and Madhuna. Just due to Rattam, we have Varinaha. But it is actually no at the end there as well. Astu. कोई प्रश्न अस्ति?
I know we are not doing Ditya, but Guroho, Guruvoho, sir, not Guryoho, no.
कुत्र?
Guroho, Guruvoho,
Guryo. Yes. Yeah, I think
Guruvoho.
I think I was typing in sleep. I will fix it. हम स्वदेश्यामी. Yeah, I was doing copy paste and just changing, and some of them I got missed. So I think I copied Hare Hariyo and just forgot to change the year to go. Chinta mastu kachaya anantaram aham sodhyami. Astu. So that was Nam Padam. This is Sarvanam Padam. Adhut Bhavan, one padatu.
आम महोदय।
अंतिम
ओके, षष्ठी। ओके,
षष्ठी, हाँ।
पुल्लिंग पुल्लिंग तद सर्वनाम शब्दाः पुल्लिंग एकवचने तस्य, द्विवचने तयोः, बहुवचने तेषाम्। स्त्रीलिंग एकवचने तस्याः, तयोः, तासाम्। नपुंसकलिंगे तस्य, तयोः, तेषाम्।
So you see, Napumsakling and Pulling, there is no difference. They remain the same. Okay, astu. Ishwaran Mahoday, Bhavan Padatu, Kim, Sashti, Kevalam. Bhavan mute मध्ये अस्ति. Unmute करोतु. Unmute अस्ति. Unmute करोतु.
कस्य कयोः केषां कस्य कयोः कासां
कस्या अस्ति भवान् कस्या
uh,
कस्याः कयोः काशाम्
I'm reading from my mobile, so I'm not able to see
अस्तु
it.
अस्तु चिन्ता मास्तु नपुंसकलिङ्गं पठतु
कस्य कयोः केषां
नपुंसकलिङ्ग पुल्लिङ्ग समान एव so you see पुल्लिङ्ग नपुंसकलिङ्ग is are same नटराज महोदय भवान् एतत् एतत् पठतु एतद्
एतत् शब्द एतस्य एतयोः एतेषां लिंग स्त्रीलिंग एतस्याः एतयोः एतासां नपुंसकलिंग एतस्य एतयोः एतेषां
स्वप्न भगिनी पठतु युष्मद् रूपम्
Ayushmad. Okay. Tava yuvayoho yusmakam.
अस्मदपि पठतु क्षम्यताम्
Asmad. Okay. It's cut, I think. Let me see. Asmad.
Out of screen, I think.
Okay. It is mama
Avayo.
avayoho asmakam. एक निमिषं महोदय, that is tava yuvayoho yushmakam, not yusmakam na. Sha asti.
भगिनी
It is
Yushmad.
yushmakam. Sha. Yushmat shabda. It is not sa. Yushmakam. Shah, not the other Shah, not this Shah.
Sorry. Yeah.
षण्मुखश
धन्यवाद। बहवः क्रियाः सन्ति इदानीं। क्षम्यताम्। अस्तु। सो प्रश्नाः पुनरावलोकनं। पुनरावलोकनम् अस्ति रिविजन्। सो वयम् इदानीं पठामः कस्य विषये। So in last class we read about Pullinga, Ramashya, Deshasya. Idanim we are reading about Strilinga, Chhatrayah, Sitayah, Nadyah, Napumsaklingam api Mitrasya, Tasyah evam. Astu. Let me ईश्वर महोदय, भवान् वदतु, प्रथमे चलचित्रे तस्याः नाम किम्?
Can't hear.
तस्याः नाम किम्?
Saraswati.
पूर्णवाक्यं वदतु। तस्याः नाम
Tas-
सरस्वती।
Tasya naam Saraswati.
हाँ, तस्याः नाम देवी सरस्वती। सपना भगिनी वदतु, अग्रिमे चलचित्रे
तस्याः नाम लक्ष्मी।
तस्याः नाम देवी लक्ष्मी और माता लक्ष्मी। हरिराज महोदय, तस्याः नाम किम्?
तिस्रः
हाँ।
तस्याः नाम राधा
हाँ।
तथा कृष्ण भगवान्
पर्याप्तं। वयं केवलं स्त्रीलिङ्गं पठामि।
इति
चिन्ता मास्तु। नटराज
राधा
महोदय,
कृष्णोः
that's fine. स्त्रीलिङ्ग only. तस्याः नाम। So राधा is fine.
अस्तु तस्याः
नटराज
नाम
महोदय, नटराज महोदय, भवान् प्रश्नं पठतु, उत्तरमपि वदतु।
तस्याः नाम किम्?
हाँ
तस्याः नाम काली।
हाँ, तस्याः नाम
नाम
काली
देवी
देवी।
काली देवी।
हाँ, अद्भुत। भवान् प्रश्नं पठतु, उत्तरमपि वदतु।
आं महोदय। तस्याः नाम किम्? तस्याः नाम देवी पार्वती।
तस्याः नाम किम्? तस्याः नाम यशोदा।
सीता
सीता। सीता। सीता।
सम्यक्। अमरनाथ, भवान् वदतु। भवान् प्रश्नं पठतु, उत्तरमपि ददातु। अमरनाथ भवान्, भवान् म्यूट् अस्ति।
Oh, sorry. तस्याः नाम किम्? तस्याः नाम अन्नपूर्णेश्वरी देवी।
माता गंगा।
किम्?
गंगा माता।
Seventh one is माता गंगा।
Oh, गंगा।
Seventh one is माता गंगा।
तस्याः नाम गंगा माँ।
तस्याः नाम गंगा माँ। बहु सम्यक्। तस्याः वारी अस्ति उमा भगिनी, वदतु। क्षम्यताम्, एकनिमिषं वदतु वा भगिनि
तस्याः नाम किं? तस्याः नाम द्रौपदी।
तस्याः नाम देवी द्रौपदी। स्मिता भगिनी द्वितीय चलचित्रे वदतु स्मिता भगिनी स्मिता भगिनी
आम् सर्
वदतु द्वितीय चलचित्रे
I don't know her name.
मंडोदरी
तस्याः नाम मन्दोदरी।
ओहो वेट सॉरी तस्याः नाम देवी मंदोदरी।
तस्याः नाम देवी मन्दोदरी।
अस्तु कः न उक्तवान् अस्तु अहं पुनः भवान् पठतु।
आम् महोदय। तस्याः नाम किं? तस्याः नाम रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, झांसी की रानी,
चन्नम्मा
Who?
चन्नम्मा
चन्नम्मा।
रानी अहिल्याबाई
अहिल्याबाई होलकर।
Okay. रानी अहिल्याबाई होलकर।
Yeah, see, a lot of temples which were destroyed by Mughals, she was the one who rebuilt them, including Kashi Vishwanath.
Correct.
She couldn't build the Kashi Vishwanath fully. Well, Lucknow Nawab protested, but a lot of temples he rebuilt in that belt in middle India and North India. Astu. Swapna Bhagini. चतुर्थे
तस्याः नाम किं? तस्याः नाम दुर्गा
दुर्गा।
माता।
अस्तु अग्रे फणिराज महोदय भवान् पञ्चमे चलचित्रे ददातु।
तस्याः नाम किम्? तस्याः नाम कामधेनु।
तस्याः नाम देवी कामधेनु।
देवी कामधेनु।
पार्वती भगिनी
तस्याः नाम किं? तस्याः नाम मीराबाई।
तस्याः नाम मीराबाई। अस्तु नटराज महोदय भवान् वदतु अग्रे।
तस्याः नाम किं? तस्याः नाम भारतमाता।
माता भारती और माता शारदा और माता सरस्वती. So you already know that Mata Bharati's name of Saraswati. So the name Bharati came from that only. So basically Bhartiya basically are the children of the goddess of knowledge. That's one name that we had, Bhartiyas. Astu. Agre Smita Bhagini. Antime Chalchitre.
तस्याः नाम किं? तस्याः नाम झांसी
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई। तस्याः नाम रानी लक्ष्मीबाई।
तस्याः नाम रानी लक्ष्मीबाई।
बहु सम्यक्। अस्तु अग्रे चलामः। So now we all remember पुल्लिंगे तस्य नाम, स्त्रीलिंगे तस्याः नाम। अस्तु that's fine. अस्तु स्वप्ना भगिनी पठतु।
सीतायाः श्वशुरः दशरथः. Sita's father father-in-law is Dasharatha.
हाँ, सम्यक. विराज बहुत अग्रे पढ़तु.
सा बालिकायाः अग्रजा. She is the girl's elder sister.
So, बालिका बालिकायाः, सीता
बालिकायाः.
सीतायाः. अस्तु. नटराज महोदय भवान् अग्रे पठतु.
नद्याः नद्याः नाम गोदावरी. The river's name is Godavari.
So, नदी अस्ति इकारान्त. So, षष्ठी विभक्ति भवति नद्याः. नद्याः नाम गोदावरी. अवधूत भवान् अग्रे पठतु.
पार्वत्याः पुत्रः गणेशः. Parvati's son is Ganesha.
So we see, we notice like नद्याः पार्वत्याः. So नदी अस्ति इकारान्त दीर्घई. समानेव पार्वती अपि अस्ति इकारान्त. So पार्वत्याः, नद्याः, नारी नार्याः. So what we just learned.
कस्य स्त्रीलिंगे एकवचने सीताया सीता सीतायाः, बालिका बालिकायाः, नदी नद्याः, पार्वती पार्वत्याः.
षष्ठी भक्ति या भवति. नदी भवति नद्याः due to sandhi rule. Parvati becomes ya due to sandhi rule, but ending will be yah. That way we can easily memorize. पुल्लिंगे भवति यस्य रामस्य गणेशस्य ज्ञानस्य क्षम्यतां लक्ष्मणस्य वृक्षस्य. स्त्रीलिंगे भवति याः. So just as add yah at the end. So Sita yah, just add yah. Sita yah. Balika asti balika yah. Nadi Parthi, same rule, but since it has e, sandhi applies and e becomes ya. So nadi becomes nadyah, Parthi becomes parvatyah. So if you pronounce in that flow, so Sita Sitayah, Balika Balikayah, Nadyah. So just remember that end would be yah. So if you add that year, you will get the flow. So you won't forget for Nadi and Parvati. Nadyah, Parvatyah. Astu. Slide mode करो मी. अस्तु. वयम् अभ्यासं कुर्मः. स्वप्ना भगिनी करोतु.
पत्रिकायाः वर्णः रक्तः.
द्विचक्रिकायाः वर्णः
Oh, द्विचक्रिकायाः. Sorry. Oh, yes.
So द्विचक्रिका भवति bicycle.
Bicycle, yes.
द्विचक्रिकायाः वर्ण means color. So द्विचक्रिकायाः वर्णः रक्त means red. So the color of bicycle is red. अस्तु. इदानीं प्रथमं कः अस्ति? भवान् करोतु अभ्यास.
पत्रिकायाः नाम सम्भाषणसन्देशः।
आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि वदतु। Translate in English as
The
well.
the name of the paper is
हाँ, संभाषण संदेश, पेपर और मैगजीन,
Sandesh.
either is fine. So पत्रिका is for either paper or magazine. नटराज महोदय भवान् अग्रिमं करोतु।
नदी 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 what Varnah
Okay.
Krishna, black. The color of the river is black.
No, there is a Krishna river, no?
Yeah, Krishna river.
हाँ,
Or the
भवान्
name of the river is
name of the river
no,
is
that will Nadi Nama Krishna.
नदी ना
Nadiyaha Nadi
ना
Nadyaha
नद्याः
Nadyaha Nama
हाँ
Krishna.
हाँ, so when it is ikarant, e
हाँ.
itself become ya. So nadi bhavati nadyaah.
Nadyaha Nama Krishna.
Name of the river is Krishna. अस्तु। हरिराज महोदय भवान् कृतवान् किम्? Did you do the exercise?
न महोदय।
अस्तु, करोतु।
इदानीं वदामि। द्रौपद्याः पतिः अर्जुनः। द्रौपद्याः पतिः अर्जुनः।
बहु सम्यक्। अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् अग्रिमं करोतु।
Let's see. No. Skanda. It's quite hard. Parvatya. Huh?
Skanda asti
Because
Kartikeya.
because putra. Okay, got it. Parvatyaah putra Skandaha.
Parvatyaah putra Skandaha. Translate in English as well.
Parvati's son is Skanda.
Parvati's son is Skanda. बहुत सम्यक्। वाग्णी उक्तवती भवती? Did you speak? No? करोतु।
यशोदायाः पुत्र श्रीकृष्ण।
यशोदा पुत्र श्रीकृष्णः, बहु सम्यक्। अस्तु। We have done all of it, is it?
कस्य स्त्रीलिङ्गे एकवचने, कस्याः whose स्त्रीलिङ्गे एकवचने, कस्याः.
So when we have to ask the question whose, then we use the padam kasyaah. अस्तु, अग्रे पठतु।
कस्याः श्वशुरः दशरथ सीतायाः श्वशुरः दशरथः।
आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि वदतु।
Whose father-in-law's name is Dasharatha. Sita's father-in-law's name is Dasharatha.
बहु सम्यक्। अग्रे अपि पठतु।
सा कस्याः अग्रजा, सा बालिकायाः अग्रजा. Whose elder brother is he? Sister. Kasyaha, whose elder sister is she? She is that girl's elder sister.
So big brother bhavati agrajah.
Agraja.
और big sister bhavati agraja.
Agraja.
अस्तु।
कस्य
इदानीं पठतु भवान्, पठतु।
कस्याः नाम गोदावरी नद्याः नाम गोदावरी whose name is Godavari river's name is Godavari कस्याः पुत्रः गणेशः
हम्म
पार्वत्याः पुत्रः गणेशः whose son is Ganesha Parvati's Ganesha is Parvati's son or Parvati's son is Ganesha.
Awesome. Astu. So far we have gone through about स्त्रीलिंगे कस्याः. कोऽपि प्रश्नः अस्ति, संशयः अस्ति? अस्तु. Now we'll know about Napumsaklinga. So Napumsakling is same as Pullinga. There's no difference. पुल्लिंगे
एकनिमिषं महोदय
हाँ.
स्त्रीलिङ्गे ऋकारान्त
उपयोगः न कृतवान्. अस्तु.
ऋकारान्त
So
उकारान्त
सत्यमेव. So let me see. In the end we'll do some exercise using ikaran.
न उकारान्त उकारान्त
उकारान्त अपि वयं कुर्मः. औकारान्त अस्ति वधु.
So we didn't do the exercises on the ukarant.
We'll do some exercise at the end. At the end we have some exercises we'll do there. I will add some.
अस्तु
कुर्मः. धन्यवादः. अस्तु. मणिराज महोदय करोतु. प्रथमं चलचित्रं विषये करोतु.
तस्य नाम किं? तस्य नाम भवनम्.
तस्य नाम भवनं. बहु सम्यक्. पार्वती भगिनी करोतु. द्वितीयस्य चित्रस्य विषये करोतु. Second, do the prashna and uttara for second picture.
Tasya nama kim? Tasya nama railway station. How do you say? Rail bhavanam.
Rail yanam. Tasya nam.
Acha, this one.
Second
one. Rail yanam.
Vande Bharat bhavati khalu.
Vande.
तस्य नाम रेल यानम. उमा भगिनी द्वितीयस्य चलचित्रं करोतु.
तस्य नाम किं? तस्य नाम रेलस्थानकम्.
आङ्ग्लभाषाम् अपि वदतु.
What is this? This is a railway station.
What is the name of that? That's
is it Ayodhya?
No, it just I think it's Kasi.
Okay.
Not Ayodhya, it's Kasi.
How to connect continuity camera for my Mac Mini. Sorry.
That's fine. Tasya naam rail sthankam. The name of that is railway station. Astu. To the car picture.
तस्य नाम किं? तस्य नाम कारयानम्.
तस्य नाम कारयानम्. स्वप्ना भगिनी
अहं न जानामि. तस्य नाम किम्? अहं न जानामि.
So you can say Yananganam or you can say Yanisthanakam.
Yanasthanakam. Yanasthanakam?
Yanisthanakam or Yananganam. So Anganam bhavati khalu. Anganam. This place.
Okay, Yananganam.
So you can say Yananganam. Car parking.
Tasya nama kim? Tasya nama Yananganam.
Yananganam. Parthi Bhagni karotu airplane 1. Parthi Bhagni karotu.
Tasya nama kim? Tasya nama vimanam.
Smita Bhagni karotu.
तस्य नाम किम? तस्य नाम अ, विमा वि-
विमानस्थानकम् एयरपोर्ट भवति।
विमानस्थानकं।
तस्य नाम विमानस्थानकम्।
तस्य नाम विमानस्थानकं।
आङ्ग्लभाषामपि वदतु, से इन् इंग्लिश एस् वेल्। प्रश्नं पृच्छतु, उत्तरम् अपि ददातु आङ्ग्लभाषायाम्।
What is this? This is airport.
So what is the name of that?
What is the name of that?
Hmm.
That's name is airport.
अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् पठतु।
Can't hear you, Mahodaya. What did you say?
अमरनाथ महोदय पठतु भवान्।
So from the top,
From the top.
kasya napumsakalinge ekavachane nakshatrasya nama Arundhati. The star's name is Arundhati. Kandakasya napum. I'm sorry. Kandakasya rupam golam. Ball shape is round. Narakasya mulyam ekam rupyakam. Coin's value is 1 rupee.
So if you see Napumsaklinge, Samaneva. Napumsakling is similar to Pulling. There's no difference. Asya, asya, asya. Like Ramasya, Lakshmanasya, Ganeshasya, Nakshatrasya, Kandukasya, Nalakasya. So it has same rupam, saman rupam. Pariraj Madhavan padatu.
I think Ishwar Mahoday avasar na milati.
Astu, astu. Shamata. Mishran Mahoday, भवान् पठतु।
नक्षत्रं कस्य नपुंसकलिङ्गे एकवचने नक्षत्रं नक्षत्रस्य कन्दुकं कन्दुकस्य नाणकं नाणकस्य.
So you see it has same form as Pullinga. So it's easy to remember in the Napumsakling. Only Prathama Ditya Vibhakti are different. Third Vibhakti onwards, they are same form. Astu. Pariraj Mahoday, भवान् करोतु।
गृहस्य वर्णः किम्? गृहस्य वर्णः वाल्मीकिः.
That's fine, that's fine. Tadeva. So that's formation. Anglabhasham bhai vadatu.
What is the color of the house? Color of the house is
you can
black.
say anything. You can say anything. So Brahmanas
Vivarna, colorful.
That's fine. You can say
Grahasya varna vivarna. Color of the house is colorful. Varna is color. Vivarna is colorful.
Shamata. Ismita Bhagini, Bhoti Karotu.
नक्षत्रं नाम नक्षत्रस्य नाम वाल्मीकिः भरणी नक्षत्रस्य नाम भरणी
अग्रे कः करोति उमा भगिनी करोतु।
रामायणस्य कर्ता किं? रामायणस्य कर्ता वाल्मीकि।
रामायणस्य कर्ता वाल्मीकि। अग्रे पार्थिव भगिनी करोतु।
मन्दिरस्य what would you say?
श्रीसदनम कैसे मंदिरस्य नाम।
अच्छा, मन्दिरस्य नाम किं? मन्दिरस्य नाम श्रीसदनम.
मंदिरस्य नाम
What is the name of the temple? The temple's name is Sri Sadanam.
So question you can make is मंदिरस्य नाम किं? मंदिरस्य नाम श्री सदनम।
Sri Sadanam.
नटराज महोदय भवान् करोतु। प्रश्नं
फलस्-
पृच्छतु अनन्तरम् उत्तरं वदतु।
फलस्य नाम किं? फलस्य नाम नारिकेलम्. What is the whose name or which fruit's name is coconut? That fruit's name is coconut.
फलस्य नाम, what is the name of the fruit?
Fruit. What is the
Falas-
name of the fruit?
हाँ.
And that
Full-
the name of the
fruit
fruit
name
is coconut.
फलस्य नाम नारिकेलम। अदूत भवान् उक्तवान् भवान्?
न महोदय।
करोतु।
जलस्य वर्णः किम्? What is the color of water? जलस्य वर्णः विवर्णः. It is
means colorless.
colorless.
I think everybody should mute. I don't know who's not muted.
भवान् अहं करोमि, चिन्ता मास्तु। अस्तु, कः पठति इदानीं? फणिराज महोदय भवान् पठतु।
This is done, Mahodaya. Amarnath Mahodaya read, right? All this?
Huh?
No?
No, that was description. Now we are asking questions.
Oh.
अस्तु, फणिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु।
अस्तु। कस्य नाम अरुन्धति? नक्षत्रस्य नाम अरुन्धति।
सेम एज पुल्लिंगे कोऽपि भेदः नास्ति। अस्तु, भवान् पठतु।
अस्तु। कस्य नाम अरुन्धति? नक्षत्रस्य नाम अरुन्धति। कस्य रूपं गोलं? कन्दुकस्य रूपं गोलं। कस्य मूल्यम् एकं रूप्यकं? नाणकस्य मूल्यम् एकं रूप्यकं।
आङ्ग्लभाषामपि करोतु।
अस्तु। Whose name is Arundhati? The name of the star constellation is Arundhati. Whose shape is round? The shape of the ball is round.
Kandukasya.
Right. Kanduka is a ball, right? Yeah. So the shape of the ball is round. Whose value is 1 rupee?
What is the value?
Value of the coin is 1 rupee. Samyak va, Deepak Mahoday?
So when we need to ask question whose for Napusak-linge. We ask kasya. Strilinge bhavati kasyaah. Napusak-linge pullinge bhavati kasya. अस्तु। वयं केचन काञ्चन अभ्यासान् कुर्मः। करोति प्रथमं ईश्वरन् भवान् करोतु। संस्कृत भाषायां करोतु।
This is The daughter's book. Etat putraya putrayaah pustakam. Putrayaah putryaah pustakam.
That is the girl's fruit. Tat putryaah phalam. Balikayaah phalam.
सम्यक्. सपना भगिनी करोतु.
He is the female student's teacher. Saha छात्रायाः अध्यापकः.
शिक्षकः द्वौ अपि सम्यक्. अमरनाथ महोदय करोतु. महोदय कृतवान्. अस्तु नटराज महोदय भवान् करोतु.
What is the building's height? Height is last time we did aunatyam. Building will be bhavan. Bhavanasya aunatyam kim. What is the building's height?
अत्र एकं त्रुटि अस्ति. अत्र अनुस्वार आवश्यकता नास्ति. We don't need अनुस्वार here. It should be ma. Because it is the end. It's an end, so it should be ma. Kairaj Bhavan उक्तवान् किं? Read the exercise महोदय. Kairaj Bhavan.
I think Avdut Mahoday or Sapna Bhagini Avasaram Nasti.
Right. This abhyas.
Yeah, I read the first one. No?
Okay. Sapna Bhagini कृतवती.
Yeah, I did it.
Asta Bhagini करोतु.
Uma Bhagini.
He is the Parvati's teacher. सः पार्वत्याः शिक्षकः.
Uma Bhagini करोतु.
What is the breadth of the river? Nadyaha. What is the word for breadth?
Vistara.
Nadyaha vistaraha kim?
या विस्तारः कः भवति अत्र. विस्तारः अस्ति पुल्लिङ्गः. तर्हि नद्याः विस्तारः कः. अमरनाथ महोदय भवान् करोतु.
Rama is my friend's elder brother. Rama mam mitrasya agrajah.
सम्यक्. Who hasn't done the exercise yet? Parvati Bhagini कृतवती किं? Parvati Bhagini.
Sita is Urmila's elder sister. Sita Urmilasyaah
बालिकायाः छात्रायाः
Urmilayaah elder sister is Agraja. Sita Urmilayaah Agraja.
सीता उर्मिलायाः अग्रजा. अवधूत भवान् कृतवान् किं?
No, महोदय.
करोतु.
Mahabharata's writer is Ganesha. गणेशः महाभारतस्य लेखकः.
The creator of Mahabharata is Maharishi Vyas, but he was speaking and
Yeah.
Ganesha was writing. So
Writing.
the creator is the Karta is Vyas Rishi, but the writer is
Ganesh.
Ganesha, because he said he can't write that fast enough.
Yes.
So then he asked Lord Shiva, and he seek help. So then he asked Ganesha to, because he said, because the condition Vyas Muni put was that the someone who write, he also has to explain the meaning of the sloka. He doesn't have to just write. So he was speaking the sloka of so fast, but Ganesha was explaining the sloka as well and writing too.
Yeah.
सर्वे फणिराज महोदय भवान् करोतु.
अस्तु. कालिदास is Meghadutas author. मेघदूतस्य लेखकः कालिदासः.
Or you can say कालिदासः मेघदूतस्य लेखकः. Either way is fine. हाँ, बहुत सम्यक. क्या करोति? स्वप्ना भगिनी करोतु.
Her mother will come tomorrow. तस्याः माता श्वः आगमिष्यामि. No, आगमिष्यति. Sorry.
तस्याः माता तस्याः जननी श्वः आगमिष्यति. क्या करोति? राज महोदय भवान् करोतु.
The girl's younger sisters will run tomorrow. The girls, Balikayah, younger will be Agraja, Anuja, Anujaha, Balikayah, Anujaha, Anujaha. Tomorrow will be Shwaha, Shwaha. Davishyat, sisters, many are there. So Davishyanti.
बहुत समय भगवान. बालिकायाः अनुजायाः स्वः धाविष्यन्ति. अस्तु. फणिराज महोदय वयं कुर्मः उकारान्त. अस्तु. So the name of the bride is Madhu. Mudattu karotu.
Name of the bride is Madhu. Kanya. Madhu is Kanya, right? The bride.
Vadhu bhavat Vadhu only.
Ukarant. Okay. Vadhu. Vadhu. Ukarant.
So you can say, so either you can say Vadho, or you can say Vadvaha.
Vadhuvaha. I was about to say Vadhuvaha. Vadhuvaha.
Not Vadhuvaha. Vadhvaha.
Vadvaha.
Va Rasva Dha Va.
वो संधि हो गया. Okay.
Vadvaha.
Vadhuvaha. Vadhuvaha. What's the full sentence once again?
Name of the bride is Madhu.
Okay. Vadhuvaha nama Madhu.
अस्तु. नटराज महोदय भवान् करोतु. Name of the cow is Nandini. Cow bhavati Dhenu.
Dhenu. Name of the cow Dhenu. Ukaranta. Name of the cow. So Denvaha Nama Nandini.
You can also use
or Nandini.
You can also use
Nandini. Nandinyaha. Nandiniana is the cow.
The Nandini. If you want to say other way around, then you can say Nandini Dhenu Asti.
Nandini Dhenu Asti.
Dhenu Asti. So for Dhenu you can use two forms. Either you can say Dhenvah or you can say Dhenuh.
Dhenoha.
Dhenoha Nama
Nama Nandini.
Nandini.
Can we also say Nandini Dhenvaha Namaha Asti?
You can say that way as well. Nandini Dhenvah Nam Asti. Or see, when you read stories, many times Naam is a special kind of avyay, and even if you say Dhenu Nam, then also correct. So many times when you read story says Nipah Nam, Nipah Ram Nam, Ramah Nam, Nipah Dasratah Nam. So name itself has a word ka or of in it. That's different now. There are two kind of names there. One naam meaning is just name. Naam as a avyava as well, it has a hidden meaning of. So if you say Nipah Dasrath Naam, that's also correct. So if you don't say Nipas, if you say Nipah Dasrath Naam, that's also correct. So if you say Nipasya Naam Dasratha or Nipah Dasratha Naam. But the condition is that the naam padam should come after the person who is refers to. So you say so you can say Nipasya Naam Dasratha, or you can say Nipah Dasratah Naam.
So what does that mean? Nipaha is off, is it? What does it mean?
Nripaha is.
So there is a king of name Dasratha.
Oh.
So either you can say name of the king is Dasrath, or you can say there is a king with name Dasratha, or there is a Dasrath name, the king by name Dasrath is there. So basically, if you read story, we don't say the name of the king. We say king by name Dasrath rule there. So the translation would be Dasratah Naam Nipaha. Dasratah Naam Nipaha. So meaning is same, but you're just saying in a different way. Astu.
Alright.
Okay. So I want to just discuss an important concept. Let me. Disateva Palakam. See, so when you read Sanskrit, a lot of time you come across these two words, vibhakti and karak, right? So question is, what is karak? What is karaka? So karaka literal meaning in English is factor of kriya. So in a sentence, the base of the focal point in a sentence is a kriya. Irrespective of what language you speak, the verb is the base. Everything else is related to verb. So in a sentence, all those words which are linked or related with the verb directly, they are called karakah. And we have only 6 karak. So if you see in this picture, kriya is in the middle, and then we have 6 karak around. So karta, karma, karanam, sampradan, apadan, adhikaranam. So karta asti prathama vibhakti, karam asti ditya vibhakti, karanam asti tritya vibhakti, sampradan asti chaturthi vibhakti, apadan asti panchami, adhikaranam asti saptami. So out of 7 vibhaktis that we have, only 6 are karakas. Sambandh that we are discussing today or in the last class, it is not a karak. Sambandh is not a karak. It is vibhakti, but it is not a karak, because sambandh is not linked with the verb directly. We see here in this image, sambandh is linked with all the karakas, We see Sambandh is linked with karta, Sambandh is linked with karam, Sambandh is linked with karanam, same with sampradhan. So it is relationship with the verb is indirect. Sambandh is not linked with the verb directly. It's linked with the verb is via these 6 karakas. This special things to remember that out of the 7 vibhaktis, only 6 are karakas. Karakas means factor of verb which are linked with the verb directly. Sambandh is a vibhakti which is not a karak. Opi sansya asti, prashna asti. Any doubt, confusion?
So the Shashti is the Vibhakti which is not directly linked, right?
So it is not a karak. So see,
Karak,
many times when you read the book, they use the term vibhakti and karak interchangeably. But in vibhaktis, sambodhan and sambandh, they are not considered karak. Sambodhan is part of prathama only because when you call upon someone, you call them by name, but that also doesn't link with the verb directly. So sambandh and sambodhan, they are not called karak. Other 6 are called karak. So it is linked with the verb is indirect. Let's go through some examples. Astu. Parthi Bhagini, bhavati patatu.
Karakaihi saha sambandhaha.
So
Karakaihi saha
here we
sambandhaha.
are just looking at how sambandh is linked with verb via other vibhaktis. Astu patatu.
Ramasya Rata Gacchati.
Tell me, what is the karta here?
Gacchati.
No, karta.
Karta. Karta. Ramasya Brata Gacchati. Rama's brother, Brata.
So karta is both words. Ramasya bhrata. So we see here sambandh
Rama's
Ramasya.
brother.
Here the word Ram is not linked with Gachati. It is linked
via
Bhrata.
Brata.
So this is example of sambandh with Prathama. Astu. Swapna Bhagini, agreement vakyam padatu.
Ramaha mitrasya vidyalayam gacchati. Karmapadena saha. Karmapadena. Vidyalayam.
But if you see which Vidyalayam?
Mitrasya Vidyalayam.
So we see in this case, some Vidyalayam is Karmapadam. Mitra is not linked with Gachati directly, but it is linked via Karmapadam, Vidyalayam. So atra karak asti Vidyalayam. Rama asti karta karak, Vidyalayam asti karma karak. Mitra asti kopi karak nasti. Mitra is not a karak here, but it is linked to Gachati via Vidyalayam. Phaniraj Mahoday, one padatu, tritiyam vakyam.
Ramah somasya mitrena saha gacchati. Ramah somasya mitrena saha gacchati.
So Ram is Som's friend is going with Som's friend. So if you see here again here Somasya atrasti tritiya vibhakti mitrena. But again it is linked with the Gachati via mitrena, not directly linked. So atra karak asti Rama kartipadam mitrena asti karanapadam karak. Lekin but Soma is linked to Gachati via mitrena. Nataraj Mohan, one chaturtham padtu.
Ramasya mitraya phalam dadami.
So he's saying, I am giving fruit to who? Ram's friend.
Friend.
So see again here, Sambandh's relationship. So here we have Sampradhan, Chaturthi Bhakti. Again, Sambandh is not a direct link to Dadami action. is via Mitraya.
Mitraya.
Mitra is Karak, but it has relationship with Ram via Sambandh. So again, indirect. Astu. Adut Bhavan, padatu Panchami. Panchamam Vakya.
रामस्य शिक्षकात् पुस्तकं स्वीकरोमि.
So I'm receiving book or I'm taking book from Ram's teacher.
Ram's teacher.
So again, we see here again same. Here the Karak is Shikshakat from teacher. Ram is only playing a indirect role.
Yes.
Is only qualifying the Karak. It is not linked with the Swikaromi verb directly. It has an indirect link.
Yeah.
Astu. Uma Bhagini, Antimam Pattu.
Ramasya Gruhe Asmi.
So you see, it says, I am where? I am at Ram's place. So here see the Karak is Grihe. Karak is Grihe. Who is Grihe? Ramas Grihe. So again, Asmi, where I am, my Asmi Kriya, the Asmi is Karak is Grihe. Kriya Asmi is linked with Grihe, but Grihe is whose? Rama. Ramas Griham. So again, he will see here, Ram is not Karak. Ramas Griham is Karak. So we see, Sambandh is not a Karak. Is just play a role of qualifies something. It qualifies the other Karak. So his link is indirect. That's why Shashti Bhakti is not called Karak. Is not a Karak. It is Bhakti, but it is not a Karak. Astu. Kopi Sansya asti?
So in the last sentence, Ramasya Gruhe Asmi, we have Shashti Vibhakti and Saptami Vibhakti.
But Saptami Bhakti is Karak. It is affecting the Kriya. Where is Kriya? Where is Kriya? Kriya is at home. So it is Ramasya Griham. But that's not, Ram is not affecting the Kriya. The Kriya, the relationship is with Griham. So Ram is linked with Asmi indirectly, not directly. Astu. Vayam agre chalamah. Seika subhastam asti. Pariraj Madhavan padatu. Pariraj Madhavan padatu.
Smita Bhagini avasaram asti.
Smita Bhagini padatu.
Subhashitam Hastasya Bhushanam Danam Satyakanthasya Bhushanam Shrotasya Bhushanam Shastram Bhushaneha Kim Prayojanam.
Artham badatu. Bahus pratnam karotu. Try to tell the meaning.
Hands jewelry are donate something. Next jewelry is talking truth.
Sota is ear.
Ears jewelry is Shastra means
Sastra means knowledge. Or Sastra, books, knowledge. Scriptures.
Ears jewelry is scriptures. Bhushan Kim Prayojanam.
So basically, what is the benefit of actual jewelry? So he's saying that the decoration of hand is danam, means giving. Decoration of neck is speaking truth, satya bhasanam. Decoration of ear is listening to knowledge, to scriptures. So if you have these decorations, what is the purpose of actual jewelry? So if you have these jewelries, danam, Satya Vadanam, Samyak Shrutam, then you don't need the gold jewelry or whatever jewelry you buy. So these are the real jewelries.
ये प्रश्न अस्ति महोदय. What is the vibhakti of bhushanaihi? It is
Tritiya.
Dvitiya.
Tritiya, Karanam.
Dvitiya vibhakti. And it is dvivachan.
बहुवचन. तो भूषणेन भूषणाभ्याम भूषणैः, रामेण रामाभ्याम रामैः.
Okay. द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन. अस्तु धन्यवाद.
तृतीया विभक्ति मणिराज महोदय. तृतीया.
Third is it? Not द्वितीया.
Third. तृतीया.
Okay.
द्वितीया तो कर्म भवति.
द्वितीया will be Raman, right?
भूषणान्.
अस्तु धन्यवादः.
अस्तु नटराज महोदय भवान् पठतु, श्लोकः पठतु.
अयोध्या मथुरा माया काशी कांची ह्यवन्तिका पूरी द्वारवती चैव सप्तैता मोक्षदायिका. अयोध्या मथुरा माया काशी कांची ह्यवन्तिका पूरी द्वारवती चैव सप्तैता मोक्षदायिका.
So basically these are called Saptapuris. So these are Moksha cities, 7. Ayodhya, Mathura. Maya is name of Haridwar because Vishnu is the creator of Maya. So Maya is Haridwar. Kasi we know. Kanchi we know. Avantika is Ujjain. That's the name of Ujjain. Puri we know. Dwaravati is name of Dwarika. Saptaeta Moksha. Sapteta is Sandhi, Saptaeta. These are 7. Moksha. So if we go to any of these places, we get moksha.
So there are 8 actually. Ashtasanam santi.
So there are many. So we have many cities. These are the Puris, Saptapuris. We have cities linked with Shiva as well. So but I think they are called differently. So their cities, their description is different. We have, like, for instance, we have Char Dham as well, and we have Rameswaram as well. But their description is different. These are Saptapuris, and others one they are different descriptions. They are not in Puris.
No, here itself there are 8. Ayodhya is 1, Mathura is 2,
3, 4, 5, 6,
7, Puri and Dwaravati. Dwaraka.
Oh, sorry.
That is what he said.
Maya, Kasi, Kanchi, Hevantika, Puri, Dwarika, Dwaravati, Chaiva, Sapteta, Moksha.
For Saptaita, I have another slokam, such as Ashwathamo Balir Vyasaha Hanumamsha Vibhishanaha Krupaha Parashuramasha.
Those are Chiranjeevis. Those are Chiranjeevis.
So
Chiranjeevis who are immortals. Okay, I'm Parisiliami. I will check. I will check. Maybe I think I have done some Tankadang Truti. I have done a lot of typing these slides. Astu. I will correct it. Katham Shuduma. Let me share the sound. Share computer shine. Can you hear the sound?
उष्ट्र्याः प्रश्नाः काश्चन उष्ट्री उष्ट्र्याः प्रश्
So see, it says Ushtriyah Prashna. So here see, it is a Shashti Bhakti. So Ushtri, Ushtriyah. So questions of camel.
प्रश्नाः काश्चन उष्ट्री सा उष्ट्री तस्याः पुत्र्या सह सम्भाषणं करोति पुत्री पृच्छति हे मातः किमर्थम् अस्माकं पृष्ठे ककुदानि सन्ति
So Kakudani is the hump where they store the water. So Kimartham, why?
माता वदति ककुदानि सन्ति
So Asmakam is again Sashti. Mam Avayoh Asmakam. Ours. Asmakam Prishte on our back.
माता वदति जलं चयनं कर्तुम् इति पुत्री पृच्छति पादाः किमर्थं गोलाकाराः सन्ति माता वदति मरुप्रदेशे सुलभतया प्रयाणं कर्तुम् इति पुत्री पृच्छति दीर्घे भ्रुवौ किमर्थम् माता वदति मरुप्रदेशे सिकताः भवन्ति चण्डवाते अस्माकं नेत्रे सुरक्षितुं
Sikta is sand.
दीर्घे भ्रुवौ इति पुत्री मौनेन चिन्तयति अनन्तरं पृच्छति जलं चयनं कर्तुं ककुदम् अस्ति सुलभेन प्रयाणं कर्तुं पादाः गोलाकाराः सन्ति चण्डवाते नेत्रे सुरक्षितुं दीर्घे भ्रुवौ तर्हि किमर्थम् आवां मृगालये स्वः
So basically the tree is saying that, we have hum for storing water, we have big feet,
Very nice.
and we have big eyebrow to prevent from sand. But why we are what we are doing in the what do you call Jew? Yeah. So basically the thing is that what is the purpose of having the attribute if you are not using them? So that's the crux of the story.
नीतिः कौशलादीनि स्थाने शोभन्ते
So Kausaladini means your skills are useful or are good only if they are used. If they are not at right place, they don't add any values. Stu Swayam Asma Atra Kasya. So Balakasya, Balikaya, Nadyah, Pustakasya, Ityadi. Kovi prashna santi?
Sir, I had a question. When you say aham gruhe agachami, or should you say aham gruham agachami?
Na grihe na sarvada bhavati griham agachami.
So when it is movement, it is second vibhakti.
So basically, see what happens.
If I have to say I am staying at home, aham gruhe vasami.
See what happens. See, Satvi Bhakti tells you the location of the action. Now, when you say gachami, you're still moving. You haven't reached the house yet, right? The action is still outside. So your house or wherever you go, that's the object of your action. or it is the target of your action.
Okay.
It is not where the action is happening. So when you say, I am going to forest, or I'm going to, or I'm coming to forest, so you are not in the forest yet. You are outside forest. So Saptami Bhakti tells is called Adhikaran. Adhikaran means it's where the action is happening. It tells you the location of the action. And since when you say I'm coming to home, or I'm going to home, or anywhere, you are not at that place yet. It is outside that place. Hence, Saptami won't be used.
So if I have to say aham gruhe vasami, that is correct.
That's correct, because
But I have to
vasami
say aham
action,
gruham agachami.
Kim Bhagini?
If I have to say I'm coming home, I should say aham gruham gachami.
Ham griham agachami. See, you can also use Chaturthi Bhakti as well. So what happens? Chaturthi Bhakti is also used to tell you what is the target, what is the purpose of your action. Now we see, Gachati is a special verb. So when you say, I'm going to is college or house, that's the purpose of your action, going to the house, right? So you can also say aham grihaya gachami. But what happens, both are correct, but what happens, if you, when you read more, you will find that sometimes then one vibhakti can be used to give you same purpose, same meaning. But when you have more vibhakti to give you same answer, but if Ditya is an option, Ditya is picked, because Ditya is close to verb.
Okay.
So when you say aham vidyalayam gachami, you can say aham vidyalayam gachami or aham vidyalayaya gachami. Both are correct. But since Ditya Vibhakti gives a stronger sense of association with the verb, is closer, so people use second.
Okay, so that means that any action is completed in that location when I use Saptami Vibhakti. Otherwise, I have to use the object.
Not completed, where that is happening. Where
Okay,
that
Dhanyavad.
at that moment.
Dhanyavad.
So you say I am walking in the jungle, right? Or I'm walking in the house. Then you can say aham grihe chalami or aham vane chalami. I am walking. So basically, you use Saptami when the action is happening at that place.
Okay, yes.
Now this is the Greek Karyam. After the class ends, I will post that, but this is the Greek Karyam for this class.
You've already posted Mahoday. You've already posted it.
Have I?
Yes, yes. Already got an email.
Maybe I did by mistake there. I had put that in. That's still in draft form, but that's fine. I will post it now. So I think the email that you have got.
No, it is there. Classroom, it's already there. I checked before class.
Is it called homework
Homework
34?
34. Yes, yes.
Why is it not showing to me? To me, still it is showing as a draft.
It's showing.
A bug in Google. So not so. Okay. Dhanyavada. Punarmilava.
Dhanyavada, Mahoday. Punarmilava.
धन्यवादः महोदय.
शान्तिपाठं नास्ति.
Oh, क्षम्यताम्. एक निमिषम्. अस्तु, करोतु भवान्, पणिराज महोदय, करोतु.
अन्य कोऽपि I'll do it, no problem. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् धन्यवादः पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः।